This tutorial guides you through adding and configuring firm locations within ProperFile. You will learn how to add new firm location details and submit them successfully. Click the Admin panel to begin managing your firm settings. Next, click Firm Locations to view and manage your firm's location entries. Click the Add Locations button to start adding a new firm location. Begin by clicking on the Location Input field. Next, enter the street address. For this example, we will enter a random address as the street address for the location. Click here to enter the suite or unit number. Input the suite for this location. Click here to activate the city input field. Next, enter the city information. Click here to enter the state input field. We will enter California for this example. And finally, enter the zip code for the location. Click Submit to save the new firm location information. You have successfully added a new firm location in ProperFile by entering all required address details and submitting the information. You can now manage multiple locations efficiently within the platform.